Hello, hello. This is Linda Waterhouse from Linda Waterhouse Consulting, and today I'm going to be sharing a LinkedIn tip on a very good profile picture. Now, many people really don't want to put their picture up at all, and that is a big mistake. Many people don't trust us if we don't have our picture up. So it's really better to have a professional picture. If not a professional picture, then at least take a professional looking picture. So I'll be talking to you about good pictures and some not so good pictures. I will share my screen. So this is from an article on willread.com, the worst LinkedIn profile pics ever. So here the author showed a whole bunch of pictures that are really bad. And I think that, you can really tell why these pictures are bad, especially blurry. I see a lot of blurry photos. It's definitely not worth it. On this one, she shows her pet. You really should be the only one in the picture. Now, the only exception to that is perhaps if you are in a pet business, but don't have a picture of you walking the dog because you would be too small. Now, for something like this, if she was in some kind of a modeling thing where she normally wore off-the-shoulder dresses, that would be appropriate. But you should think about wearing something that you would wear to your job every day. Although you might have a great hobby and want to express that, your profile picture really isn't the way or isn't the place to show that. You want your face to take up about 60% of the screen. And this is one thing that a lot of people do. They have a great picture from a wedding or the prom, but you can clearly see somebody else's face or maybe even a hand on the shoulder. And this is a big no-no also. You definitely want to be the only one in the picture. You also don't want a glamour shot. We may think that we look good, but we want to look professional. And the last is not having a shot at all, as we talked about before. Having a profile picture makes your profile be viewed 14 times as much. And people just don't trust us if they're wondering what we're trying to hide. So please, even if you have somebody else take the picture outside, have a professional looking picture and upload that. So that's my LinkedIn tip of the day. Thank you for watching this. I invite you to visit my website, lindawaterhouse.com, for more free tips. Thank you.